When other users are typing in the same channel that we're currently in, it'd be nice to see an animation at the very bottom of the given channel in order to see that they're preparing a message, other users are preparing a message. So we'll head to our message form component, and we'll begin by adding an on key down handler to our message input. This will reference a new function called handle key down. So we'll create our handle key down function, say underneath handle change. Handle key down will be a bit different. It won't take an event, but it'll first check to see if we have some value stored in our message property of state. We can destructure that from state within the function. Then we'll access a typing ref. So we'll create a new property within state called typing ref. This will reference a new collection in our database we haven't used before with the name of typing assigned to it. We can grab that from state as well. It'll have a child set equal to the channel ID that we're currently in, and another child with the user ID. We'll make sure to destructure that as well from state. And nested within these two children, we're going to set a value of user.displayName, so the user's name if they're currently typing in a given channel. Otherwise, if we don't have a message, we're going to remove that value that we just set on the typing ref. So to test this out, we'll type into a given channel, take a look at our database. We should see a new typing collection with the channel ID, within that the user UID and the name of the user. And once we remove everything from the message input, we remove all the text, we should see that typing collection removed entirely. And when we're sending a message, of course, the current user is no longer typing. So within the then, once we've successfully sent off a message, we want to remove the typing ref that references the current user, and we'll destructure user from state within send message as well as the typing ref. When we change a channel, we want to remove the typing ref as well for a given user. So within change channel and our channels component, we'll reference the typing ref from state. We'll pass in the channel ID to the first child, user UID to the second child, and use the remove method again. And within channels, of course, we need to first create the typing ref. So if we change a channel, we're obviously no longer typing in the channel we were previously in. So that's why it's being removed. Now to test both of these cases out, we'll first type into our input. We see our typing collection. If we send a message, we see that that is removed for our current user. We type in again, we see that it's added. If we switch to a different channel, we see that the entire collection is removed. So this is the approach that we'll use to determine if other users are typing in the same channel that we're currently in.